How to upload Instagram Reels in correct way. Hello guys, welcome back to our another tutorial video. I hope you are doing great. So let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up your Instagram application. Now at the bottom of your screen, tap on your profile icon. Now tap on the three lines. Now scroll down a bit. Tap on account privacy. Make sure your account is public. Now go back. Scroll down a bit. Now under for professionals, tap on account type and tools. Now tap to switch to professional account. Now keep selecting continue. Now search for creator. Tap on video creator. Tap on done. Tap on next. Tap on not now. Now complete the following verification and now you can upload Instagram Reels in the correct way for gaining more reach in your Instagram. Thank you for watching our tutorial. I hope you liked our content.